Quick, simple unboxing to show you what you get with the Rayban Meta Wayferer sunglasses. This is how it was shipped to me inside of an Amazon box. It's got this little tab right here. We're just gonna rip that tab right off, and then we can just pop it just on open. Nice box, nice packaging, and then it just kind of opens fully just like that. And then right in the front center, we do have this beautiful case. Feels very, very nice, and you can see right on the bottom it is USB-C charged, and I don't think I guess that is a button right there. It does click. I'm not too sure. I'll have to play around with these. Ooh, nice little light right there as well. And let's go ahead and pop open this, and we can see the sunglasses. So you can see it is a charging case, so it does have a little slot that it connects right to your nice little sunglasses right there. And let's go ahead and take these pieces off, and that is what they look like right there. Very, very nice. Rayban. We've got the button on the top right there, which you can use to click. There's your sensor. One of them's the light sensor, one of them's the camera. And on this side, there is no button or anything like that. And then they do charge just right in here. They'll connect right to your case to charge. But that is what they look like out of the box. And what else do we have included right here? I think, what is this right here? We do have, feels like a little cloth that we get included, which is cool. And then this should be the instruction booklets, so our warranty information and our get started guide. So that's everything that you get included with your Rayban Meta sunglasses.